Like any machine, your PC requires periodical maintenance to run at top performance. Microsoft itself created a tool to help you keep a computer in shape and make sure it is protected against threats. It goes by the name of Microsoft PC Manager, and it features one-click speed boost, system health check and repair, as well as virus protection, all in a single, user-friendly application. Most of the functionality in Microsoft PC Manager is already embedded in Windows, but this application brings it all together in a single place, making it easier for you to clean up and boost your PC. It delivers a comprehensive tool that combines performance-related tools with security features to allow quick and easy system maintenance. The cleanup tools in Microsoft PC Manager allow you to check your system's health and identify potential problems or issues that require your attention. The system logs can be cleared, and startup applications can be easily managed to save resources. Moreover, using the Boost button in the main window cleans up temporary files and frees up the system's memory, which surely comes in handy if you run an older PC. There is also a built-in process manager which, unlike the task manager in Windows, displays unused processes only, not all of them. You can terminate any of them to optimize the system speed and improve RAM usage. Thanks to the built-in storage manager, you can manage large files or remove rarely used apps to save space. Furthermore, Microsoft PC Manager can run a deep cleanup analysis to remove logs and data you don't need from Windows updates, Microsoft Defender, the browser cache or other temporary files. As mentioned above, Microsoft PC Manager also features basic security tools. That does not mean it is a full-featured antivirus, but it does allow you to scan for threats and block suspicious changes. Relying on the Windows Defender definitions, the built-in malware scanner can analyze key system locations and look at startup apps, installed browser extensions, running services, drivers, and other system areas to detect potential dangers. Pop-up block and browser protection are other available tools to keep your PC safe. Microsoft PC Manager bundles many Windows tools under the same roof, allowing one-click performance boost, system cleanup and storage management, health checking and threat detection. With its help, not only that you can refresh your computer and make it run faster, but you can also check its health and remove potential threats with a few clicks. See you next video, and now some music.